Hello friends, welcome to our channel Creation. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel. First and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs shown to you people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. So we'll keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily. Inshallah, be sure to let us know